Meaning of Estuary English.
Estuary English.
Estuary English.
Estuary English.
Estuary English. Estuary English is a dialect of English spoken in southeast England, particularly around the River Thames and its estuary. It emerged during the late 20th century and is characterized by features of both received pronunciation, RP, and Cockney accents. Estuary English is known for its broad A sound and its glottal stops. It is popular among younger generations in urban areas and is considered a marker of social mobility. Some argue that its rise in popularity signals the decline of RP as the standard accent of English.